Hey everybody, today's video tutorial is going to be on accessing a resource called Epic. Epic is a resource that we will use either at home or on campus in order to access lots and lots of books. There will be books for you to read, there will be books that will read with you, and books that will be read to you as audiobooks. So here's how you access it. The first thing you want to do is go into Clever. From Clever, you want to find our Room 13 resources page. Now the icon will be of Abraham Lincoln wearing some shades, so go ahead and click on our Room 13 resources first. Next, you're going to look for the icon that says Epic. But if it's the first time going into Epic, you'll want to look at this code right down here. So next to the name of the icon, I put the class code. So I'm going to now click onto Epic. And what it does is it opens up a new tab, and that way I can actually go back to that code once Epic loads. So it does say to enter your class code. Let's say I don't remember my class code. I can simply go up here to the top and over to the side where it says now Clever Teacher Page, and that is called a tab. So I'm going to click on the Clever tab and go back to look at this code. Now that I have that memorized, I'm going to go back to the Epic tab. You'll see the E with an exclamation point. Click on that tab, and I'll go ahead and type in the code. I'm going to click Go. Now what that'll attach you to is our class and take you in. And what you will do is you would find your name here in Epic and click on your name and get started reading. I hope that was helpful, guys. I'll see you guys later.